Okay, our last type of a measurement that we might need is to take a volume of a solid shape. So here I am in solid modeling and I can find the volume of this shape, and there's a few ways I can do it. Again, I can measure a face and multiply it by how high it is, but sometimes it's not an easy regular thing to find like that. And so there's a command called mass properties. This is called a mass. It's a it's a shape, it's a mass, and I want to know the properties. So I type it in. It's in here somewhere, but I type it MASS. Let me get in here MASS, and it probably comes up mass prop, and then you just select it, enter, and all this stuff comes up. It's so cool. Um, and so I can get, you can see here's the volume of it, here's the bounding box if I were to make a glass box around it, the centroid, moments of inertia. Those are all things that have to do with stability and rotational energy and things like that, stress and strain calculations. So I can get all of this cool information, and I can send it to a file as you see, or you can make your command line get big. Let's make my command line big here, and you can just copy and paste it out of your command line. So these are all the physical properties of that shape that engineers and designers might be using to figure out whether this shape is adequate for design purposes. So there it is. It's the mass prop, MASS prop.